Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Jessie if you're new here, and I'm going to be doing a slick back bun tutorial for you today. I don't mean to brag, but I did have 2 people specifically ask me for a tutorial, so I thought it'd be a great video to show you guys how to get a very clean, wet, slick back bun that has been all over Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok for like, I want to say the last year. So I did learn myself on TikTok. I just watched a couple of videos one day and then I was like, you know, I should give it a shot. It doesn't seem too hard. I learned how to do it a couple weeks ago and I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable and it looks so clean and put together. Even though you have dirty hair, spoiler alert, you're gonna have dirty hair. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and DIY content, and you don't want to miss any more of my future videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment what you think of my hairstyle below. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. All right, first we're gonna be going over the supplies that you need. I've been seeing all over TikTok Olaplex blend, but I'm here to tell you, you don't need everything under the sun. You just need a couple basics and you'll be good to go. So I actually wanted to buy a couple items before I tried the hairstyle, but then I was like, you know what, I'll just try with what I have, and it turned out great. I encourage you to do the same. You need a little comb like this. This just helps kind of smooth the bun out. A lot of people say you should use a fine bristle brush to smooth it out, but I just use this comb because that's what I had and it worked great. And then you'll just need like a regular brush, some kind of like gel or control paste. This is the one I use. It's Jordan's, so I tried it out and it worked fine for me. So I can link this one down below, but I've seen people using just gel from like their drugstore. I encourage you, if your boyfriend, husband, brother, roommate, whoever has gel in the house, just try some of theirs and see how it goes. And then just, you know, see if they'll continue to let you use it. This is kind of optional, but a little hairspray. This is what I use. And then just a couple of elastics, one thick one, and then kind of like a smaller one. And then the most important part, you need to have unclean hair. So that's what I have right here. This is day 3, so it's getting a little greasy, but it's actually not too bad. Like I could probably go another day without putting it up. Just don't try this with clean hair because it's not gonna work. But if you do have clean hair, just put a ton of product in it. I saw people just taking like their clean hair and, you know, drenching it with gel, and I feel like it would work, but you don't want to waste clean hair on a bun. So to start this, I'm just gonna go through and give my hair a nice little brush, take the oils and put them through. And if you see me looking this way, I have a mirror set up so I can see what's going on. Okay, now that it's all brushed out, that feels pretty good. I'm gonna take my little comb here and give myself a really hard, clean part. I just usually take my comb it back like this. And then obviously I need to look in the mirror and just pick the middle of the head and go like this. Give myself a nice part. And try that again. I feel like that looks good. And then I'm just gonna take my comb and kind of like section off the front part of my hair, and I'm just gonna leave that out. That part, it doesn't really matter if that part is like a clean part. So now that I just kind of have like the front part all sectioned off, I'm gonna take kind of my thicker elastic, put it around my wrist, prep for the next step. Once you're here, kind of just grab my hair like this, and I'm just gonna use my brush to kind of like all the hair in place where I want it to be. So I'm just taking my brush and I'm kind of like brushing it upwards. I like to have my bun sit not on the top of my head, but like definitely higher up, because I like to be able to see the bun if you're like looking at me straight on, for it to be peeking up. So just brushing upwards. So we make sure we have like a really smooth base. This will be the foundation of our slick back bun. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm actually just gonna take the brush and I'm gonna brush the front parts up into the pony, but I'm gonna, instead of pushing it upwards, I'm gonna push it to the side. Then you can get that nice like sculpted look like that. So pretty good. I'll do the other side. And I'll just kind of work it So I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. I can tell it's generally going in the right direction. Like when I look at it, we got the hard part. Everything else is looking fairly smooth. So I'm just gonna take my elastic and put in a pony. That's kind of like the base. So obviously you can see like it's not perfect yet. We're not there yet. Next, I'll just kind of take this smaller elastic and I'll just twirl my ponytail like this and I'll just wrap it. Nothing exciting here, just wrap it kind of in a bun. I like to keep the ends and kind of like poke them out, hold them so they're kind of at the top. I know it's kind of hard to see. And then I'll just secure my bun like that. Bun's looking a little messy, but I kind of like how it, like the pieces will poke out like that. Now I'm gonna take my comb. I have to fix that. I'm gonna take my comb and start using it to smooth out kind of like these rough pieces. And I'm just gonna go in the direction that my pony is in. Oh, you guys, I think I'm gonna have to do this again. It's a little messy right there. I must have like moved it around when I was securing my pony. So I'll just take it out. Gonna secure it again. Okay, that looks good. And I'm just gonna do what I did last time, just kind of twist it. Now like the ends are actually poking up like I wanted to last time. And I'm just gonna secure the ponytail, or the bun, sorry. Now we're gonna try that last part again. So we're just gonna see how you can kind of like see like little imperfections. We're gonna just take the comb and smooth that out. And just do it around the back. I don't really care if mine's like perfect back here. It's kind of, you see it way less, I find. So that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna take this control paste or gel or whatever you have, put some on my fingers, and then I'm just gonna completely like smooth this out so we have no flyaways. Don't be scared, use lots of product because that's how you're gonna get this to stay. Oh, it's looking so much better with the gel. Now that you have the gel, I usually go over and take my comb again and like try to make it look really neat. For some reason this is just not sitting very well today, but I don't really care. Like I think it still looks pretty good. Ooh, there's the sun. Hello. And then I just keep like adding gel and product until I feel like it looks really good and snatched. Oh, I love the how this makes you feel. You put this bun in and it's like, we're good to go. We're high fashion. Even if we're just wearing like a little sweater with your gold jewelry, you are kind of like, it makes you feel like you got like a little fit. And then I personally kind of like how little pieces are sticking out. Very clean, but it gives it a little character. So I'm pretty happy with that. I still get like some flyaways, which is not ideal, but whatever. I think it looks good. There is the finished product, and I feel like I really need it today, but I'm just gonna put a little hairspray in. And now that baby is not moving. All right, you guys, there you have it. There is the slick back bun tutorial you've all been waiting for. Personally, absolutely love this hairstyle. Like, it has honestly been my go-to. I find it's like really good to work out in. Like, I love going to spin class with a bun like this because first of all, you look cute AF and your hair is like so, it's not going anywhere. Like, it's really secure. And pro tip, I'm gonna be going to a spin class tonight and it's only gonna make this hair even better, believe it or not. So like, I'll come back from spin, shower my body, and then I'll like kind of take the elastics out, re-secure, put more gel, and then really like sculpt it with my comb. And you guys, that is like my best results. And I've gone out for drinks like that before and it's like, it looks so good. Anyways, absolutely love this hairstyle. Please let me know if you try it out and let me know what you guys think, because when I put my hair up like this, you feel so good. You feel snatched, and I just really hope that this style stays in style for a long time to come because I don't want it going anywhere. I honestly love it. It's so comfortable. When you put your hair up like this, you're getting stuff done. Like, you're not going to lay on the couch. Going, like, even now that I have this done, I'm like, what's next? Like, should I go get groceries? Like, you're productive with this hair. You're going places with this hairstyle, and you're gonna be cute. You're gonna look cute. Okay, I just changed my sweater because I feel like it was making me look a little not on point. So I just changed my shirt to this little blue one, and my bun is looking amazing, of course. I just feel like my sweater wasn't doing it justice. So here we are, cute AF, and ready to take on the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this tutorial. Let me know if you want to see like a different variation of this hairstyle. I was actually thinking like half up, half down would be cute. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Into the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way.